and time.
hari n'iri kontorora igihe iki ari byo rino Dr Strange yambaye. Hey agasani aya arabanza araricana baranaribona.
Tell me his name again.
iri zina rye bamwita Thanos.
He's a plague, Tony. He invades planets. He takes what he wants.
ni mubi mwana Tony agenda yataka ahantu hose hirya no hino
He wipes out half.
akagenda agahanagura hafi kimwe cya kabiri cy'isi yose.
He sent Loki
ni wowe wereje Loki
back on New York.
cyagiye ubwo yazaga kwataka muri New York. ibi ni byo kuko agasani. Hey
The timeline.
No telling. He has the power in space stones. That always makes
afite imbaraga ndetse afite ibuye ry'imbaraga n'iry'ikirere.
him the strongest creature in the whole universe.
bivuze ngo biri kumugira ikiremwa gikomeye kurusha ibindi mu isanzure.
He gets his hands on all 6 stones.
aramuka akoresheje amaboko ye kuri aya mabuye atandatu yose Tony
Life on a scale hitherto undreamt of.
arahita arimbura ubuzima bwose.
Seriously, just say hitherto undreamt of?
ubundi yabatera umugongo
Cauldron of the cosmos.
cya gishura kiramudiha. Dr Strange afite igishura cyumva nabi hamugenga dutera umugongo.
Who's going to allow that?
ibyo ndazi kubyemera.
If Thanos needs those 6, why don't we just
nimba Thanos akeneye ayo mabuye atandatu
stick this one down the garbage disposal? What can we do?
We swore.
twayafashe tukajya kuyasha cyangwa tukayashwanyaguza ya
Oath to protect the time stone without.
twe twarahira n'ubuzima bwacu bwose abangaba bararahiye mwibuka barebye Dr Strange
And I swore if
ko
Gary.
tuzarinda aya mabuye iri buye.
Ben and Jerry's game to flavor after.
none se Ben na Jerry
Be so. Raven hazelnuts. Not bad. But chalky.
wabaye uretse
Hulk burning fudge is our favorite.
That's a thing?
Whatever. Point is,
uko
things
ibintu bimeze uko ariko kose
change.
ibintu
to
byarahindutse.
protect the time stone count.
twebwe indahiro yacu yo kurindira ibuye ry'igihe
Not change.
ntabwo rizigera rihinduka.
Best chance we have against them.
niyo mahirwe yonyine dufite yo guhangana na Thanos.
Conversely, it may also be his best chance against us.
wabona se ahubwo ariyo mahirwe yiwe yo kugira ngo aturwanye
If we don't do our job.
keretse tubaye tutakoze akazi kacu neza.
Let's make him-
akazi kawe ni akahe?
Animals. Protecting your reality.
ni ukurinda ibintu byanyabyo wa mukinga.
Douchebag.
Okay mbeba we douchebag.
We table this discussion right now. The fact is that we have this stone. We know where it is.
icyiza ni uko dufite ibuye tuzi naho riri mwa bakinga mwe.
Somewhere with the mind stone.
irya visionary hariya hirya iriya tutazi afite mind stone iry'intekerezo.
And we have to find him now.
tugomba kumushaka nonaha.
Yeah, that's the thing. 2 weeks ago, Vision turned off his transponder.
rero nagira ngo mbabwire ngo ibyumweru bibiri bishize Vision yavanyeho transponder yiwe
Offline.
What?
ntitwabasha no kumubona.
You lost another superbot? I didn't lose him. He's more than that. He's evolving.
Who could
sinigeze mubura mwana.
find Vision then? Probably Steve Rogers.
sawa aha ari wenda ariko
Call him.
muhamagare mwana
That easy.
ntabwo byoroshye reka.
God, we haven't caught up in a spell, have we?
No.
tumaze igihe tutavugana mwana wajyana.
We're toast.
Avengers yaratandukanye mwana
Woke
twaratandukanye.
up.
yaratandukanye uyu ntiyarabaga ku isi yari yaragiye muri Asgard yaragiye gutabara ba Thor.
Like a band? Like the Beatles?
Captain,
tandukanye nka bande se nka ba Beatles.
fell out hard. We're not on speaking terms.
ntabwo tujye nawe ntabwo tukivugana mwana.
Tony,
Tony
listen to me.
yumva witonze mwana. uyu we yabibonye arabizi.
Gone.
Thor yagiye mwana yapfuye.
Thanos is coming. It doesn't
Thanos ari kutuzira.
talking to her now.
rero uwo mwaba muvugana cyangwa mutavugana ntacyo bivuze. wapi hey hanyuma jinsi si gutya kwa naga telefone ahamagare Steve